Want to make your text pop and look more professional in Canva? One of the easiest ways is by applying textures to your text, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it, quickly and easily. First, let's look at the simplest method using the Font Over app in Canva. Start by opening your design and heading to the Apps section. Select the Font Over app and pick a text frame that fits your style. Next, browse through the Elements tab to find the texture you want. This could be anything from marble, metallic, or even a grungy effect. Once you have both your text frame and texture ready, simply combine them in Font Over, and just like that, your text now has a professional, textured look. It's seamless and perfect for titles, social media posts, or any design you're working on. If you prefer a more manual approach, you can achieve this effect without any extra apps. Start by adding your text to your canvas. Then, search for a texture in the Elements tab and place it over your text layer. Adjust the size and position so it covers your text perfectly. Finally, change the texture layer's transparency or use the mask feature to make sure the texture blends beautifully with your text. This method gives you full control over how your textured text appears, letting you get creative with colors, overlays, and effects. And that's it. With these two techniques, your text will go from plain to eye-catching in just a few clicks. Experiment with different textures, combinations, and placements to make your designs truly stand out. Now you're ready to add that extra layer of flair to all your Canva projects. Try it out and watch your designs come alive.